How to connect CJ dropshipping to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add CJ dropshipping to your Shopify to get products and sell online. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store, and this is where you will get. Now you have to go to your Shopify App Store. App Store allows us to add any kind of integrations and any kind of application we want. So in the search bar, I'm going to search for CJ Dropshipping. And then you will find your results. Here it is, CJ Dropshipping. So I'm going to select this one. All right. So then you will get the install app option right here. So I already have installed it. So that is why it says app installed. But you will get the option of add app right here. Click on it and then simply log into your CJ Dropshipping and it will be added to your Shopify right here. Now go to your settings and then you have to go to your apps. You can see right here apps and sales channel. So I'm going to click on this one and it will show me all of my apps that I have. So I have CJ Dropshipping right here. I'm going to open it up. So you can see this is about the app and click on open. So you have to authorize your account. This is also for people who will just add, CJ Dropshipping. So you can just click on authorize now and log into your CJ Dropshipping, enter your password. And there you go, your CJ Dropshipping will open up right here with your Shopify. And now I can add products from CJ Dropshipping to my Shopify really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.